Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. We hope you are doing great. If you are an international who want to move to Ireland as a skilled worker, or want to have settled status there, or you want a visa that will enable you to live in Ireland for longer than 5 years, then the Ireland Critical Skills Employment Visa, also called Critical Skills Employment Permit, is the ideal visa for you. It doesn't matter where you are coming from, guys. Many African and Asian countries usually complain it's not available for them, but this one is for everyone no matter where you come from. Now, before you start saying, oh, it's difficult to find a job offer for this permit, most employers are not recruiting from my country, the minimum salary threshold is high for me, and so on. Wait a moment, let me tell you something. You are thinking this way because you've not followed the right way to getting this visa. Most people try applying 1 or 2 jobs online, probably in the Indeed platform, and when they don't get a reply they start complaining. Others will spend large amounts of money to pay agents to help them get this visa, which they could do themselves in just a few minutes, and when they don't succeed, you start complaining. So to cut the long story short, in today's video, we are going to take you on a step-by-step basis and teach you the right procedure you are supposed to follow to get a critical employment skills visa to come to Ireland, work, and obtain permanent residence for those who want to live there for long. So, pick up a pen and a jota and write the necessary steps you need to achieve this. Please make sure you don't skip any step. Before we continue, please, if this is your first time of coming across our channel or across our Facebook page, please endeavor to subscribe or follow if you are on Facebook. Let's now begin by first knowing what the Ireland Critical Skills Employment Permit is all about for those who don't know. The Critical Skills Employment Program is designed to attract skilled people into the labour market to motivate them to take up permanent residence in Ireland. The Irish Critical Skills Employment Permit now is a job offer-based work permit that allows immigrants to work in Ireland in a role that pays at least €64,000 per year, or at least €32,000 per year if the job is on Ireland's highly skilled occupations list. Either the worker or the employer can apply for this visa. This permit was created to facilitate the relocation of migrant workers to Ireland. With this Critical Skills Employment Visa, you will have the following benefits. Legally live and work in Ireland for the duration of your job offer. Holders can apply for permits to stay and work after their permits have expired. Family members can join applicant through the Family Reunification Program. After fulfilling specific criteria, apply for permanent residency in Ireland. No labour market test is needed to enter the employment market. Now, to be eligible for this visa you need to have a job offer with €38,000 plus salary, or €64,000 plus for non-listed occupations. Relevant degree or qualifications, e.g., nursing diploma. Job on the Critical Skills Occupations List, check online. Some sample jobs found on the Critical Employment List are ICT professionals, software developers, data analysts, etc. Engineers, civil, mechanical, electrical, etc. Healthcare professionals, nurses, doctors, and life sciences, biologists, pharmacists, and more. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process on how you can get this Ireland Critical Employment Visa. Please make sure you pay much attention here, as I will be demonstrating this on my computer for you to see. The first thing to do is to get a job offer from an Irish employer, and to do so, you need to follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Go to Google and search Critical Skills Occupation List Ireland 2024. Now select this first one that pops up and says Critical Skills Occupations List DEET. This is the Ireland official government website. Now the Critical Occupations List is going to open up for you. If you scroll down a little, you are going to see all the eligible occupations under this critical employment permit. You will see their various codes and employment categories. For instance, production managers and directors, ICT professionals, health and social services managers and directors, and so on. If you continue scrolling down, you will see all occupations eligible for this work permit I am demonstrating. Step 2. Go through this list careful with attention and check whether your occupation, or what you want to apply for, is found here. If it is not found here, then your occasion is not in the list of eligible occupations, so you can then stop the process, meaning you are not qualified. But if you find it, then you are eligible to apply. For instance, let's say your occupation is a registered nurse. Registered nurses and midwives are found there. Step 3. Going with the midwives examples, go back to Google and search for companies recruiting nurses and midwives from overseas in Ireland 2024. You will see many of them like you see on my screen, both companies and job boards. But I will advise you go with direct companies first. So I will select this first one here, this Canberra Health Services Midwife Jobs Abroad. Most of these companies usually have jobs on their website. If you scroll down to the menu buttons below here, you will see an area where you can search and apply jobs. If you click there, it's going to bring you here where you can see 384 vacancies. You can as well filter on this filter tab you see above. Now you will just need check most of the jobs to see which you qualify for. I will just choose this one that says General Nurse and open. Now you will see all the main responsibilities, the ideal candidate, benefits, and follow the application instruction that says to apply today. Please email your CV across to jennifer@headmedical.com or call 0131 240 5277 0757 014 3363. And that's all you need to do to send your application. Alternatively, you can also contact the company directly through their email address or phone number on their website to get everything about the job. Once your application has been checked properly, you will then receive a job offer from this company if you qualify. My advice is that you should search for as many companies as possible and submit your application with an updated CV, and make sure everything you put in there is genuine and can be verified. Because these employers will verify before sending you job offer. And that's basically all you need to do to get job offer under the Critical Skills Employment Visa. This is the same process you follow to get job offer for any other job that is found in the Critical Skills Occupations list we checked, which is not healthcare. Remember, we only used the nursing job as an example. So with other occupations aside from nursing can do the same to get their job offers. After you've gotten your job offer, you go back to Google and search Ireland Critical Skills Employment Permits application. You will now be taken to this page where everything has been explained step by step, all the fees, processing time, and every other thing you need. Now, you can submit your visa application online with the required documents you will see on the website like your passport, bank statement, health tests, certificate of registration, IRP card, a letter from the Department of Business, Enterprise, and Innovation confirming your continuing employment, etc. After you've submitted all these documents, your application will be processed within 2 to 4 weeks and your visa will be out. Now you can come to Ireland through this visa and live for more than 5 years. You can bring your family with you, and you can renew this visa any time it expires. Now, is the process that difficult as you though? If you do this correctly, you won't need to pay large sums of money to agent to follow this same process for you. Hope this video was very helpful to you. Please, if this helped you, don't forget to follow us or subscribe. Thanks and good luck.